You know what? I'm not that ugly as I thought I was. Like, it could be worse, but...
Hey guys, what's up? It's Sophia, and today I'm making
some spook
cupcakes. Yeah, they're just gonna be out of this world. They're just gonna be cute. They're Halloweeny, spooky.
Okay. You're gonna get a bowl and you're gonna get your cake mix because, you know, we're like, it's yellow. Okay, can you stop? You're interrupting my vlog.
You just love that.
I hope my battery does not run out because I really do not need that.
Oh yeah, it looks.
Okay, so they're gonna go in the...
So I'm over here editing, and I just realized I mess up a lot. I guess people find that funny that I mess up a lot. And yeah. Going in the oven. Oh yeah. Okay, spooky friends. They're done. Oh. Bored, so I'm doing some ASMR. I love ASMR. I just like the sounds. I like listening to tapping and eating ASMRs. I think they're really... Let's just get on with the tingles. The first tingle I have is a LaCroix. This is in the thing, passion fruit. I love passion fruit. I love LaCroix. I'm so sorry you had to hear that, but I'm just gonna lightly brush it on here. I'm not sure if this is the right way.
Well, that's an L.